You are welcome to Ranking IT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +2335 5759 5824 or +2332 634 1393. Ranking IT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. A lot of people have been watching my videos, which helps them to do whatever they want to do, but they don't like, they don't subscribe. But anytime they need help, then they come into my DM and be begging for the software. Please, if you want me to go far or be doing more videos, please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Yes, so that that will impress me when I'm doing the videos. I can be doing more stuff for you people to learn from Ranking IT. So please like my channel and comment. You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. I'm coming to show you how you can install your Photoshop CS6. It's an old version, but it's used for this DTF machines. It works very fine to make your white and other stuff. As we are not going to waste much time, let me show you how you can install this setup. Yes, so it's in the Power ISO file. So I'm going to run it right away from the Power ISO. So let me close this. Okay, so first what we need to do is you just double click it's Photoshop CS6 13.0 final. You see, yeah, this one is the final version for the CS6, and it works very fine. So I'm coming to show you how you can install it. Okay, so it's initiating. Okay, so let's wait for the initialization. Okay, let's close this one and let's wait for the installation to start. Okay, so now it has started to install. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel and like if this video helps you. And if you need the program to, just contact me right away from my description and hit me on WhatsApp so that we can talk business. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, all right, so that is it right here. So let's run the program and let's see how it's going to work. But first, what we need to do is we need to hide this star. So I'm using Windows 11, so I'll just go to properties, then general, hide, hidden. Just click on the hidden, apply and hit on continue. From there hit on OK. Then let's run the program. Alright, so this is how the program works. This is the Photoshop. You don't need any you don't need to buy the Atlantis. This is fully Lances. It's a cracked version. So if you need the program, just contact Ranking IT and you will get it. Okay, so let me type in my name. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, then put in run. Ranking IT. So software. Okay, resume. Okay, so if you need it, just contact Ranking IT. See, everything is working fine. You are not going to get any errors and other stuff. So you can use it to make your white channel. You change the colors and other stuff. You give it your stroke. open your new, yeah, then you give it your sports. You see, it's very, you see, you can give it your sport and other stuff. So please, if you need the program, just contact Ranking IT. Bye bye.